Hi everybody, it's Teacher Amber from the Carnival class, and today we're going to learn about my garden and insects. We've been working on a little project. I've taken a 6 tray and I've drawn 6 squares on a piece of paper. I then drew everything that we could find in our garden. I've also written the beginning letters of each of the things we found in our garden. I'm then going to take this and I'm going to go put glue at the back of it, and I'm going to stick it on the top of my egg tray. Just like that. Then you're going to take your egg tray and you're going to find all of these things in your garden. Tatum, can you show us what you found? Come show us what you found. Open it up. Let's see.
I found some sand.
Sand over here, yes.
Yes, and a worm.
What for worm and
a flower.
What's the beginning letter for flower?
Flower.
For flower.
And stick.
Stick.
Mommy.
Grass. So it's for
Grass.
And we found that
for leaf.
That's it. We found all of them. I hope you enjoy this activity at home, kids. Bye. Here's a little video to show you step by step how everything was made.
Good.